My name's Penny. I'm a current student on the National Stud Diploma course for 2020. A typical day in the life of a student, we get rotated around the different yards. So at this time of year there are mares and foals at every point, different ages though, so for each yard you learn a bit more about the foal management at their different life stages. So whether that is the newborns on the foaling unit or the ones that are a couple of months old, so here at Bunbury. We do all the usual yard jobs, so you're mucking out, we blow instead of sweeping, we feed, we do the general health checks. Alongside the practical work we have our evening lecture programme, so 2 or 3 times a week, usually Tuesdays and Thursdays between 6 and 7. We have something science-based, business, industry related, just to give us that broader overview of like racing, the different types of career, the different professionals and the locals from the area, because obviously Newmarket, big hub of British racing, of the British thoroughbred, and a lot of international influences as well.